Hey Beauty Smarties, it's Maria, and today I'm back with another fun video. Today we are gonna be playing with some glitter, and I'm gonna show you how to create a fun red glitter lip. Now, I know a lot of makeup artists and celebrities like Taylor Swift and Pat Mcgrath have been loving the red glitter lip, and I myself am not excluded from that. So I want to teach you guys how to create that. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel by smashing that subscribe button down below and giving this video a big old thumbs up. And let's get right into the glitter party. To achieve the sparkly red pout, you'll need a lip exfoliator and some lip balm, red lipstick of course, some red lip liner, glitter glue, and red cosmetic grade glitter. To get the best out of any lip look, I really like to smooth out and moisturize my lips. So to do this, I'm just going to use a little bit of lip exfoliator and a little bit of lip balm. This will really help you get through the cold winter months. Now we can start building that color. Using a red lip liner that matches your lipstick shade as close as possible, line your lips using your natural lip line as a guide. This will help get the best defined outline. Shade in a little bit into the lip as well to create a smooth gradient transition. Now I'll just fill in the rest of my lip with my red lipstick. This particular liquid lipstick is one of my all-time favorites. It's called Always Red from Sephora. Now we're ready to move on to the glitter, my favorite part. I'm going to deposit a little bit of the glitter from the container into the lid. This will make it easier for me to access. Once I have enough glitter to work with, I'm gonna set it aside and reach for my glitter glue. I just put a dot size onto my lips with my finger. I'm gonna dab a little bit of glitter glue over a small section of my lips. I like to work in small sections to make sure the glue stays tacky. Once the glitter glue is set into place, I'm gonna take a clean finger to pick up some glitter from that lid, and I'm gonna put it right on top of the glue. You might have to do this a few times until you have entirely covered the area fully in glitter. Once your lips are totally decked out in glitter, you can dust off any stray glitters from your face using a makeup brush, and your dazzly lip look is complete. This look is out of this world and perfect if you're crazy about glitter, just like me. And there you have it, Beauty Smarties. If you want to give your plastic red lipstick a nice little twist, make sure to try this look out. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and also let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. And on your way out, don't forget to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!